Today we're replacing a turn signal light on a 2016 Ford Expedition. You'll begin by removing these two bolts, which use a Torx bit T20. After you have those two removed, then you will take two hands on this assembly and pull straight out. You may have to use a little bit of force, which is fine, but it should pull straight out. These two prongs here are what attaches it here to the body. We're placing the turn signal on the bottom. It will turn straight up. On your other side, the driver's side, it will turn down in the opposite direction. We will pull the old light out, put our new LED bulb in. Of course, you don't have to use LED, whichever light you're replacing it with. We'll just slide in there. You'll see these three connections here have to line up, and you do that by turning it slightly up. It'll slide in, then you turn it sideways to lock it. Set your tail light piece back in. Make sure your two prongs here are lined up. Once they are lined up, give it a gentle push. You want to test and make sure that you have this in correctly. An easy way to do that is to unlock the car. If you get a light there, more than likely you're very successful. It'll save you a trip around to check, but I'm going to check anyway for the turn signal. And we have the turn signal working properly. Should that not work for you, all you have to do is take the light out, turn it around, and place it back in to get the connection in on the right side. Then you replace your screws here on this side. And you have successfully replaced your turn signal. Same process if you need to replace the reverse light, parking light here on the top as well. Thanks for viewing.